Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be looking at your energies starting from 22nd till 28th of November. In this video I'll be looking at your overall energies, what's going on in your life, like past, present, future energies, along with some messages from the universe. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's get started with your reading for my Cancers, 22nd to 28th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. Let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started. Okay. At the back of the deck, we have the Temperance over here. Okay, so there is a feeling of being alone. There's a feeling of peace right now. You might be at a situation where you do not want to talk to anyone, you do not want to be with anyone, you do not want to socialize with anyone, and you just want some peace, you just want some time for yourself. It could be some me time, you can say, self-love energies which we are getting over here. So this is your overall energy. Might be dealing with, for some of you, might be dealing with breakup which might have happened recently and you are going through the healing process. The things which you need to understand right now is the Two of Cups for you. So you need to understand that, okay, so although the Two of Cups always tells us about love energies for someone else, some soulmate energies, but today I am getting self-love energies which are coming up. It's more like you might have dealt with somebody who was controlling, who was really not your kind, okay? Could be dealing with a Taurus. But yeah, there is definitely a person, because the problem in this situation is the King of Pentacles. So there is a person who has tried to control you and always tried to tell you what to do, always try to, show a bossy figure, and that is why you might have dealt with this kind of a person and you want peace right now. If this is not the case, it can also be a person whom you really love at present, okay? If you are not dealing with a breakup, if you are dealing with a person who is there with you, you love this person a lot, but at the same time you want something for yourself, you want peace, because in your heart the Sun energies are here. So this is definitely more, it means happiness to me, from your heart you are happy that you are with this person, but at the same time you want a little space, okay? It can be a person as well who can be feeling like this, what you are feeling. For some of you, it can be a Cancer, it can be a cross watcher, or it can be your person as well. So just take as it resonates, all right? So in the past energies, we have the Hanged Man. So yeah, there could be a pause in your relationship in the past, and all of a sudden you realized something, that I want to be with this person, but at the same time I want to be alone. You realize, you got to know a lot of things in that pause period. Or you could have dealt with somebody else in the past, you broke up with that person, and now when it comes to a new relationship, you are dealing with the process of understanding what the universe wants to tell you, or understanding yourself, okay? You could be dealing in that thing. In your head, we have the Three of Hearts for you, Three of Swords, sorry. Three of Swords is telling that there is a need to break up. Okay, you could be, for some of you, it's coming like you are wanting, since you're wanting peace, you're wanting some breakup from the person, like a little break again. So your energies are like, going up and going down at the same time, and you want peace, you want some self-love, you want some me time, you do not want to get involved with a lot of people at present, and that is why your person is also coming towards you a lot, and you do not want that right now. You do not even want to talk to anyone, I feel. Okay, so in the coming future, which is related with the present energy, it's the Seven of Wands. So this is telling that if you will not distance yourself from this kind of a person, or from any relationship, or at present whatever is going on with you, you might end up fighting with everyone. Okay, so it's better to take some space before, rather than going so far that you might fight with everyone. It will be, not a very good energetic feeling which is coming up for you. How you are acting is the Eight of Swords. So Eight of Swords is telling that you at present is this is what you are showing to the universe, sorry, showing to everyone around you, that you are not telling your exact feelings. You are being afraid. How will they feel if I'll tell them that I want some space, I want some peace? How will they feel about it? So this is the reason you are thinking about it so much, that this person of mine will might feel unhappy, or might feel that like, how can you say this to me, and all that stuff. Okay, so how does your person feel towards you? So this is the Emperor energy. They also feel a little, they feel they are being very controlling, actually. With the Emperor energies, they are the rulers, could be dealing with an Aries over here. But yeah, they kind of liking the control which they are, the way they are controlling you, something. And yeah, it's that feeling where you love this person, but you have to think before speaking in front of this person. This is how, and you're not able to see how you are feeling and how they are making you feel. It's like you are not able to tell the exact truths to them, because you're afraid, like a son to a father, or a daughter to a father. You're afraid of what to say. Okay, so the universal message for you is the Six of Swords. Six of Swords is telling that things will be coming towards peace, and they are going towards calmer waters, but only if you will take actions right now, whatever you need. If you are understanding the main things which you need at present, you take steps as well, so you will go to calmer waters after that. Okay, the overall outcome of the energies, the way they are happening right now, is the World energy. So the world is a very pretty card. It tells us completion of something. So it's like the completion of your whole cycle, or your whole detachment, or we can say the way you want some peace and you want some self-love is coming towards a completion. So if you are feeling that you are not able to get involved with people the way you were before, so do not worry about that, because this is coming towards a completion in a happy note. And yeah, it's coming towards like that. But we'll clarify now your energies. Let's see what's there for my Cancers. Tell me about the Temperance energy as the overall energy. Temperance for my Cancer as the overall energy. The Knight of Cups we have, and Ten of Cups. It's the feeling of fulfillment. It's the feeling of not reacting to love, because you are feeling like this. Okay, you feel love for the other person, but you just want to not to talk, and that might offend someone else. And this is the reason you are trying to just be away for some time. One more card. The Star. Yeah, your hopes are really high for this relationship. You want to take this relationship to the next level. Okay, but you do not want to take any actions yet. Okay, if this is you or if this is your person, just take as it resonates. But somebody over here is not ready to take actions, no matter how much he or she loves the other person. Okay, but yeah, it's just a delaying of the process of taking action or proposing to someone. Let's see what needs to be, what do you need to understand with the Two of Cups. You need to understand, with the Two of Cups, it's a soulmate energy, definitely. That you need to understand that you love this person, that this person is your soulmate. Okay, because you have, see, controlling doesn't mean that a person will control you for life. Okay, I told you that this person is, you are feeling like this person is controlling you, but if you, the other person only controls you if you let the other person control you. So this is the thing, like, you love this person a lot, but at the same time you feel a little disconnected with them because of all that things. How can I'm not free, I want to be free. A particular Cancer. Yeah, tell me about the King of Pentacles for my Cancer. Five of Swords. Yeah, you feel that the issue is this only, you feel that you are lost now. You lose the game, you lose this relationship. See how this person with the Five of Cups also at the back of the deck. So this is like a sadness situation in your life. You think that you are so happy with this person, but at the same time, how can you be sad with this person? Why is this happening? Because of them controlling you, or because of you being controlled by them? So this is why you are asking the universe for some self-realization and some me time. Tell me about the Sun energy for my Cancer. Yeah, the Fool with the Sun in your heart. I feel that you want to live a life like a child. With the Sun and the Fool energies, it looks like you are very spontaneous kind of a person who is, who doesn't plans anything, who just wants to live a life as it is going, like go with the flow kind of a person. But your person over here is like controlling, as I already told you, and they like to plan everything and then only doing that thing, scheduling everything and then doing. So this is the problem which might be coming. You do not want any schedules, you just want to be spontaneous, you just want to enjoy your life as it is. You want to take risks in life. It doesn't matter about the matureness or immatureness, but you want to live. This is what is coming. Tell me about the Hanged Man energies. Yeah, the Emperor again. So this is your person's energy in the past. You came to a decision making in the past as well. I feel that of leaving your person because of all the controlling situation he or she is doing towards you every time. And if you are not doing the way they are telling you, there is always a fight which comes up, and you become very confused about the situations, what is coming up, like I am not ready now, what should I do? I'm not ready to be with this person, I want to live a life of my own. So you have been through this place and you have again come up with this thing because you are not ready. You love this person, but at the same time you do not want to be with you. You do not want them to control your life like that. In your head we have the Three of Swords. What's that? Five of Wands. So your mind is telling you that fight it out. Like if you are not liking the person's energies, fight it out. Arguments, fights, everything like that. And you might be going through that. See the Devil, it's becoming very toxic in your head. Because it's not going the way you want, and the reason you are just continuing it for the sake of their happiness, that they should not feel bad. So you are like you are just continuing this relationship to that level. Now it has come up with that toxicity and all that negative energies. In the coming future we have the Seven of Wands with the Moon and the Page of Pentacles. What else do we have? So your future energies are coming up with that you are taking stand of yourself. Somewhere you might hide the exact truth, okay? You might not tell the real truth what you are feeling, but you will fight for yourself. It seems like that, but you have to be a little blunt. You cannot be so sweet, otherwise it won't affect you. Tell me about the Seven of Swords in your action energies. How are you going to act? How you are acting? What you are doing is you're just you're not completely into this relationship now. You are hiding, or you are getting afraid from this person or this situation, this relationship, and you are trying to just go away. Silently you are going away, and you are just you are not telling them what exactly the reason, and this is the reason why they are behaving more toxic and more blunt towards you. If this is the case, otherwise it looks to me that you are hiding something, and you will be hiding again because you do not want them to hurt. So this is the thing which is happening. The Emperor energies, their energies towards you. Ace of Swords. I feel like, wow, Ace of Pentacles. I feel like they are ready to offer you something more stable. They want to be clear about their conversations with you, which you... My video stopped, and after the whole reading was done, I got to know that I only could able to shoot till that much. Okay, so the other surrounding cards were the Lovers and Temperance as your person's energies towards you. Your person is definitely, this person with whom you are dealing with is actually in love with you. They really love you. It's just the way they are too much controlling. Okay, it's just that, and because of that you are getting some negative vibes. You are getting that you do not want to be with them at some point of time. You are feeling, you are getting some a little of two options in your reading, in your head, in your mind. It's like that. In your as a universal message to you for the Six of Swords, you have got the King of Cups, Judgment, and Ten of Wands. Okay, so this really means that you need to take some decisions. Okay, you need to decide something, because you cannot go on like this without even telling what you are feeling, and then thinking that it's too much now, taking that all the load on yourself, because at some time you might just burst like a volcano, and it will really not be very helpful for you, for your health, for anyone's health over here. What you should be doing, what can be the final solution of your problem with the World energy? See, it's coming up in the cards that if you will not change your present energies according to what you need, and you will just let go, let's just go with the flow, and let's just I cannot say anything for my loved one because they might feel bad or they might feel sad about it. So if you will go like this, you might end up into something which cannot be very good for both of you. Okay, so this could be a relationship which can end like this, because at some point of time these kind of relationships, they end. Okay, and you might find somebody new. So if you are not ready, if you do not want this kind of an ending, you really need to change some things at present. Okay, so you have to decide what you need to do and how to do it. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.